Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Roborock Q5 Max Plus. If you're interested in this vacuum or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So factory reset is different from a restart or a reboot. This is going to wipe all the information off of your vacuum, give it a clean refresh, just like you're getting it back out of the box. So to do this, there's 3 simple steps. The first step is you're going to be holding down the home button for 3 to 5 seconds all by itself. Then the second step, while you still have that home button being held down, is you're going to press the little reset button that's in the side of the vacuum. So to remove the dustbin, grab a paper clip or something along those lines, and you'll press the reset button in there. I'm not sure in this environment you can see it in there. It's right about where my index finger is. There's a little button that you can press, again, with something as small like a paper clip. And you're going to keep that press for a second with the home button down while you watch until the lights turn off. Then you can let that go and you'll keep holding down the home button for like another 5 seconds or so. And then you should hear a voice prompt letting you know that it's resetting itself. So let me go ahead and show you how to do that right here. So we're going to hold down the home button for about 3 to 5 seconds. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi. The lights are still on. We're going to press the reset button in here. So we just pressed it. The lights went off. So I'm going to let go of that. We're still holding down the home button. And now we'll just keep holding it for a couple more seconds here. It's blinking. That's a great sign.
Restoring factory settings.
Restoring factory settings. This will take about 5 minutes. That's it, guys. Now you just wait it out for 5 minutes and then you'll be all set and ready to go. That's how you're gonna reset your Roborock Q5 Max Plus.